So listen sis, if you want a natural shampoo that cleanses your scalp, detangles your hair while promoting hair growth, then you need to try this powerful DIY shampoo. Like the moisture that it gives and how it detangles your hair. Oh my god, this shampoo is packed with amazing herbs and oils that strengthen your hair, reduce hair shedding, and keep your hair and your scalp healthy. So to prepare this shampoo, first I'm going to be boiling some herbs in the water, and one of the herbs that I am using today is cloves. Cloves help to strengthen hair follicles, reducing hair fall. The next one I'm going to be adding is fenugreek seed. So fenugreek seed is packed with nicotinic acid and protein that will help to promote healthy hair growth. I'm going to be adding coffee. Coffee helps to stimulate blood circulation to the scalp, adding volume and shine. Now, another underrated ingredient I'm going to be adding is onion peel. Rich in sulfur and antioxidants, this onion peel helps to combat hair thinning. Again, I'm going to be adding rosemary. Now, rosemary helps to boost scalp circulation and support natural hair growth. I'm going to be adding some water. So I added like 500 grams of water, 500 ml of water. The last herb that I'm going to be adding is cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon sticks helps to improve blood flow to the scalp, promoting vibrant, stronger hair. Okay, all right, so after combining all the herbs, I'm going to put it on fire to boil. Now while the herbs are boiling, what I'm going to do now is to shred my black soap. So the black soap that I'm using today is Dudu Oshu. I just sliced the full one in half. So the half is what I'm going to be using today to make this amazing shampoo. But if you have the black soap that they sell in a carton, in like a carton wrap or something, you can actually use that one. It is also very good. So after shredding my soap, this is what it looks like. The reason why I'm shredding it is so that it's going to dissolve quickly and completely. Okay, so I'm just going to be putting it in this jar. This is where I'm going to be leaving it to dissolve. All right, the next thing that I'm going to do is to save my herbs. I'm so sorry guys, I lost the clip where I saved the herbs. Okay, so this is what my herbs are looking like after saving it. I'm just going to pour it in. Now I noticed that the water reduced, and it wasn't enough to cover my soap the way that I want. So I'm going to add a little bit of hot water inside, just so it will cover the soap completely. Okay, and now that I've finished adding everything, I'll just mix it up a little bit, cover it, and let it sit overnight. Okay, if you don't have time to let it sit overnight, you can actually just keep watching it. So once it dissolves completely, then you can carry on. All right, so this is my soap the next day, and this was what it was looking like. By this time it has completely melted. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is to sieve it, and stay tuned, we are going to be adding more things to this soap. Okay, so this is me just sieving it. If you don't sieve it, these are the things that is going to stuck on your hair, and there is still some sand and some particles in it. Okay, that is why it is important to sieve it. Now I'm going to be measuring some oils. First I added my dissolved shea butter, then I added coconut oil, I added vitamin E oil and tea tree essential oil in, and then I'm going to pour everything into my mixture. Okay, so I'm going to just stir it to combine, and afterwards I'm going to be introducing thickener for the first time in my shampoo. Okay, so this is guar gum, so I'm going to be dissolving it with glycerin. I didn't measure this part, but the spoon that I was using there was 1 teaspoon. Okay, I also did not measure the glycerin. Okay, I just added the one that will be enough to dissolve the guar gum. So I will just dissolve the guar gum and add it into my shampoo. This is to help thicken the shampoo. However, it didn't work as expected. Maybe I didn't add enough. If you've used it before, please let me know how it worked out for you. Okay, all right, so after adding everything, I just went ahead and blended. Even though I blended it too, I just went ahead and used my hand mix, my immersion blender, and just blend it to combine everything together. Okay, So this part is actually not necessary. Using your hand to mix it properly is enough, because once you do this part, it's just going to foam everywhere. All right, I was hoping that this would, I don't know, make it mix properly and help the thickener to work, but nah, it didn't work out. It didn't thicken my shampoo the way that I wanted it to. So I went ahead and I added preservative to it and then mix it thoroughly with my hand, and I'll cover it and let it sit for complete 2 hours. 2 hours later, this is exactly what it looks like, and at this point it has settled. Now I'm going to pour it in my container. All right, so as I was pouring it, I noticed that the foam was interfering, and then I went ahead and used my hand to scoop out the excess foam so that I can be able to pour the soap into my container. So I got about one full 250 ml and like half or thereabouts. Okay, so stay tuned guys. I'm also going to be showing you how I used it on my hair and the effect, just like you saw from the beginning, but I'm going to show you the whole thing. All right, I tell you that this shampoo is so amazing. Like, if you're looking for the shampoo that does not contain any harsh chemicals, then try making your own shampoo at home by yourself. Okay, that way you are sure of the things that you are adding inside of it. So this is my hair. I've gone ahead to dampen it with water, but still I'm also going to be spraying some water before applying it. And this is what our shampoo looks like, and this is the liquid I'm going to be using to, you know, still wet my hair further before going on to shampoo my hair. Okay, all right, you can use plain water. Like I said, instead of using plain water, I always love to infuse my water with herbs. It just makes a whole difference. All right guys, so I'm just going to be, you know, pouring the shampoo just like you would even in the bathroom. Okay, so I'm just going to be pouring the shampoo on my hair, concentrating on my scalp first, then I'll work the shampoo down the length of my hair. Just keep on watching. You're going to see how this shampoo detangles my hair, how it made my hair felt so soft. Like, I think this is my best shampoo so far. Like, the way I didn't even add like aloe vera or flaxseed or whatnot, but this shampoo still works very well. It works wonders in terms of, you know, detangling my hair. Like, you guys are going to see that in a bit. Just keep on watching. And if you're going to be shampooing your hair outside of the bathroom, please be careful that this shampoo does not enter your eyes. Let me tell you one thing. If this shampoo drops into your eyes, you're going to dance and just go. And I'm not even joking. Like, the pain is something else. Okay, so if you are using this method to shampoo your hair, please be careful that it doesn't drop on your eyes. Okay, all right, and if it drops on your eyes, please quickly run to the bathroom and use enough water to wash your face. I mean, use enough water. All right, can you see what I'm telling you? Can you see like how this shampoo is dissolving my hair? Literally, the way that I'm using my hand to detangle my hair, I'm just using my finger to detangle my hair. Right, can you see how amazing this shampoo is? And would you give it a trial? Will you try it? If you're going to, please let me know. Okay. So now that I'm done shampooing working on my scalp, I went on to shampoo the rest of my hair. Okay, so like I went on to work it down my hair strands. All right, and I tell you, you can actually wash your hair as often as possible. Like, if you finish rinsing it off once and you feel like you still need to wash it again, you can wash it again 2 times, 3 times, and it will not strip your hair. Okay, so guys, are you enjoying this video? If you do, if you enjoyed it so far, thank you so much for enjoying it. I really appreciate the fact that you liked it. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Okay, it will help to boost my morale and encourage me to, you know, share more videos. All right. So after I finish working the shampoo down the length of my hair, I'm just going to grab my scalp massager and massage my scalp thoroughly. Like, give my scalp a very good massage. And thereafter I'll go to the backyard. Thereafter I'll go to the backyard and just rinse the whole thing off. And your hair. Try the shampoo and let me know what you think in the comment section, okay? So here I am done shampooing my entire hair. I just band my hair together. I'll go to the backyard like I said and just thoroughly rinse it off, okay? You can see the happiness in my face because I know that I've gotten a banger. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and until I come your way next time, my name is Favor. Please take care of yourself and bye.